put in a radius. So now I've got to select the X value, 46, and enter. The Y value, which is 48, and enter. Now to get the radius centres, that's the clockwise curve. Now it's come up XC, so I can put the centres in there, 52, enter. It automatically comes up with the Y, 48, enter. That's completed that one line, end of block. Steps for lathe. Set the tool to centre height. Traverse the tool across the workpiece, taking a small cut. Always remember to use the coolant to ensure a good surface finish. If there is a pit showing, adjust the centre height . Repeat this process with further cuts until such times as the tool is set. This is how to set the tool to centre height. Now we're going to go to TPG, which is the Tool Path Graphics. What this will do is actually simulate the path of the cutter. And again you can see initialise, magnify, cutter, etc. What we're going to do in this instance is magnify 3 times. As I enter, the hard line is the outline of the product, the dotted line is the centres of the holes. When we're happy that that's okay. Put a knurl, which is a surface finish, onto a diameter piece of work. We have to follow again a number of steps. So step 1, we place the knurling tool into the tool holder. Step 2, we locate the tool holder onto the tool post. Step 3, using adjustment screw and an engineer's square, it is critical to line up the centre of the wheels on the knurling tool and the centre line of the workpiece. Also at this stage, the 2 arms, both the top and bottom arms, must be of similar angle, and again this can be adjusted using your adjusting screw. Step 4. We now hand adjust the tightness of the wheels of the knurling tool onto the workpiece. So we need them to bite but still to rotate, with half the knurling tool on the workpiece and half off the workpiece, and then turn the coolant on. Step 5. We're now ready to actually put the knurl on, so we now turn the adjusted screw of the knurling tool just 1/4 of a turn, and then with automatic feed cut the knurl. Okay, what we're going to do now is assemble a cutter into a collet and into the machine spindle. If you have a look at the collet, there's a keyway, and then there's a thread in the end, and that keyway lines up inside here. As the drawbar, there's got a thread on the end, screws the collet up, is prevented from rotating by the keyway, and then pulls in and grabs onto the cutter. Push the cutter up to the golden colour there, it's just a coating on it, gives you an idea of how far to put the cutter in. Cutter's in, ready to go. All we would then have to do is adjust the speed to that particular cutter. This particular cutter is a 16mm diameter, so this needs to run at about 625. So that's the speed for that particular cutter. When taking the cutter back out of the machine, it is critical do not undo the collet by the thread until such time as the thread becomes loose. Like so. Because now there's nothing holding that collet in. When you bash down to remove that collet, you've got a thread which is against the thread. It's only necessary to loosen probably 2 turns, tap on the top, tap on the top. I need to release the gear, so I can put it out and disengage it. Now I can lift this dog up here, rotate round to the next setting, re-engage the gear, locking position, put the nut on.